There is a wound that lives in the lineage of women. It whispers that we must be consistent, linear, productive, that we must always move forward, never pause, never change. But we were never meant to live like machines. We are cyclic beings. Just as the moon waxes and wanes, our energy, our emotions, our creativity move in rhythms. 13 moons, 13 cycles of renewal every year. Once, time itself honored that truth. A year was divided into 13 months of 28 days and one sacred day of celebration, the day out of time. But somewhere along the line, that wisdom was forgotten, and with it, so was part of us. In the modern world, we are told to be the same every day, productive, efficient, constant. But our nature is fluid. We ebb and we flow. And when we fight our rhythm, we exhaust our essence. Many of us learned to distrust our bodies, to silence our intuition, to judge our rest as laziness and our emotion as weakness. This fracture between who we are and how we're told to live is the wound of the feminine, a wound of disconnection from our own natural cycles. In this space, I want to guide you back to remembrance, to the knowing that your rhythm is sacred, that your power does not lie in control, but in alignment with your natural flow. By the end of this journey, you will understand how to honor both your strength and your stillness, and begin to heal the parts of you that forgot how to trust the tides within. For many years, I lived in resistance to my own rhythm. I worked through exhaustion, created through depletion, chased validation instead of flow. My body spoke, but I didn't listen, until it stopped whispering and began to roar. I lost my energy. This was because I tried to make a space for myself in a world made for and by men. I tried to take them at their own game. I tried to mirror what their sun cycle-based energy was capable of. But I was not tapping into my own feminine power. And so I lost my energy. My belly, my solar plexus, my hara started to get tense and was regularly in a state of pain. I could no longer ignore the imbalance. That's when I began to study the ancient ways, the lunar calendars, the 13 moon cycles, the rituals that once guided women to live with nature, not against it. I began to notice patterns, cycles in my creativity. It mirrored the moon. I noticed that my creativity mirrored my moon cycle. Around my menstruations, I retreated, dreamed, rested. Around ovulation, I expanded, expressed, performed. And suddenly, I wasn't fighting myself anymore. I was dancing with time. Healing the wounded feminine wasn't about becoming softer or louder. It was about becoming cyclic again, remembering that destruction and creation are part of the same breath. The feminine heals when she remembers her rhythm. Here are 3 ways to begin that remembrance. 1. Track your inner tides. Notice how your energy, mood, creativity shift through the month. Journal with the moon phases, new, waxing, full, waning. You'll start to see a pattern. your personal lunar dance. When you live by it, life stops feeling like a race. 2. Honor your day out of time. Once each cycle, give yourself a day with no goals. A day for joy, rest or celebration. In the ancient calendar, this was the 365th day of the year. A pause between cycles. Use it to reset your nervous system, to release pressure, and to remember joy. 3. Reclaim your voice and your body's yes. When you feel your power rise, speak, create, lead. When your energy wanes, rest without guilt. Both phases serve your wholeness. Your worth is not measured by consistency. The world heals when women live cyclically again. Because a woman in rhythm with herself doesn't drain the earth, she mirrors it. She teaches through her embodiment that time is not a straight line, but a spiral of becoming, dissolving, and becoming again. So breathe with me. Inhale. Expansion. Exhale. Release. Feel how even your breath is a cycle, like the waves onto a shore, or like the weather that cycle through the year. Remember, you are not behind, you are simply between seasons. Rest when the tide recedes, rise when it returns. If this message touched you, share it with a sister who has been forcing herself to bloom every day. Let her know winter is sacred too. Leave a comment with the phase you're in right now. The new moon of beginning, the full moon of expression, the dark moon of rest. In what phase of your cycle are you finding yourself? And what do you notice about your energy? Let's witness each other's rhythm. And if you wish to walk this path of sound, healing, and remembrance, subscribe and join me as we remember the music of the feminine body, the 13 moons, the eternal return. Oh